create a secure infinity bun on long hair using this quick twist technique held in place with a chignon pin. Start twisting your ponytail until it starts to coil in on itself. You will be using your thumb and middle finger to twist the hair around in a figure 8, creating an infinity bun. Place your finger on the side base of the twist. Then wrap the hair up and around your fingers, passing through the middle. Place your thumb to the side and continue the figure 8 by wrapping the hair up and around your thumb. Continue the figure 8 shape until all of your hair is twisted around your thumb and finger. Ensure the ends are placed into the center by tucking it underneath either anchoring digit. Secure it into place by inserting the legs of the chignon pin into one side of the circle and flip, catching some of the scalp hair. Then push the legs of the pin through the hair to come out the opposite side. Once you have mastered the technique and the tension needed to securely hold your hair, this hairstyle will become a fast favorite to create a quick and easy updo with a chignon pin.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.